Hi kids, good morning. This morning we are going to be revising our number bonds addition and number bonds subtraction. Now here in front of me I have different kinds of fruit with their prices in front of them, and I have also some fruit here with their prices. The first one is banana, it costs 15 pence. The second one is watermelon, it costs 25 pence. And the third one is apple, it costs 35 pence. And my orange, which are the same here, it costs 3 pence each. Okay, so there's something I noticed in the prices of the fruit. There's something that is common. For example, here I have 1 and 5. Here I have 2 and 5, making 25. Here I have 3 and 5, making 35. Okay? So here 5 is common. Can we see now? This is 15, 25, 35. Okay? So this is like counting in tens. So the difference between each of these fruits is just 10 pence. So if you add 10 plus 15, it gives 25. 10 plus 25, it gives 35. Like that. Just the way we've been doing our counting in tens. And another thing I notice is that my orange remains the same. It's the same here, it's the same here, and it's the same here. All right, so let's quickly move into the addition and see. 15 plus 3 pence. That means if I buy one banana that costs 15 pence plus one orange that costs 3 pence, how much am I going to pay the shop owner? How much am I going to pay for both? So here, the first thing I will do is to look for the biggest number. Which one is the biggest number? Is 15 pence. Okay, so that means I'm going to count. I need to count the smallest number here. Where is my smallest number? That is 3. So let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now if I count my 3, I will start counting from 15. 15, 16, 17, 18. So my answer here is 18 pence. The same thing is applicable with the second one. Which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest? The biggest is 25 pence, while the smallest number is 3 pence. Okay, so that means I'm going to count the smallest number. Let's count it here. 1, 2, 3. All right, so I will start counting from 25, 26, 27, and 28 pence. And the last one, just almost like the same. I will count my 3. 1, 2, 3. I have my 35 here. 35, 36, 37, and 38. 38. Now, check my answers. This is 18. This is 28. And this is 38. Can you see the number bond? So that's why we call it number bond. So the number bond here is everything is carrying 8, just like we have it here, 5, 5, 5. See, and this is 1, 2, 3, 8, 8. So the number bond, the difference between them is 10. So that's what we mean by number bond. Okay, quickly, let me go to subtraction. Yeah, let me quickly go into subtraction. Now for my subtraction, if I have 15 pence, 25 pence, 35 pence. Okay. All right, I have this money, then the signs will change. Minus, minus, minus. Now, I have 15 pence, and I bought 3 pence orange. How much is going to remain? How much money is going to remain with me? It's so easy. The first thing I'm going to do is, okay, I will look at the biggest number. The biggest number is 15. So I will put the biggest number on my head. The biggest number on my head, that's 15 on my head. Then the smaller number on my finger, 3 on my fingers. Okay? So in this case, I'm going to count backward. I'm going to count what? Backward. So let's start counting from 15 to the back. 15, 14, 13, and 12. So my answer here will be 12. 12 pence. Now let's try the second one. Which one is the biggest number between this and this? Okay, the bigger number is 25 pence. So now I have 25 pence on my head and 3 pence on my fingers. Okay, so let's start counting backward. 25, 24, 23, and 22, and 22. So here I will write 22. And the last one is 35 and 3. 35, take away 3. Now I have 35 on my head, 3 on my fingers. Okay, 35. I need to count backward. Don't forget that. 35, 34, 33, and 32. 32. See? Just very similar to the addition. If you check the numbers, this is 15, 25, and 35. Now my answer goes like this: 12, 22, and 32. Still like counting in tens. So that is what is called number bonds. I hope you get it now. So open to the next page, to other pages of your PowerPoint, and do your mental math. Send it back to me once you are done. Thank you. Bye.